Hello guys, Hurricane Plays here today, and today I'm going to show you how to make a round base system. And I shall be using the model that I have. That will be linked in the description. And so I'll be showing you how to set it up. So, like it says here, put this in script service, and the modifications. This is how long your intermission is, and then this is just a little break before the teleport happens to the map, and this is how long your game time is, and yeah, and the screen GUI, put it in starter GUI, and you can configure this as much as you want. Don't configure this script though. And then maps, going to put that in the server storage. And in the map, you're going to have a folder named spawns with capital S. Inside that, a part, and that'll be your spawn. And then there's one thing left, the status. Going to drag that down into server storage. And that is it. Press play. 2, 1, choosing map. Wait a little bit. Chosen map. 1. Loading contents and teleporting players. And here we are. You can configure this map as much as you want. You can add as many maps as you want. And it will kill us. And it will take us back to here. And 2, 1, choosing map, and we'll do that over and over and over again until the server is over. And that is it. That's all you need to do to set this up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. And this is my 100 subscriber special. Thank you so much for bringing me this far. I actually never thought I'd actually get this far. And now, next challenge is 500 subscribers. I'll see you in the next one.